Hello and once again welcome to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to do class 10th NCERT Maths solution for exercise 8.2 trigonometry and we will do one by one. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, watch the full video, and if you like the video, give some feedback in the comment box. If doubt, that also you can ask in the comment box. So first question. Evaluate the following. Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So for that values you have to remember, don't go for the shortcut. You will get the table in like math textbook. Just remember it, then it will be easy. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Then plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Now when I simplify, so it means root 3 into 2 and divide 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 divide 2 into 2. When I simplify root 3 into root 3, it will be 3. Root 3 is square. So it means simply root 9 and root 9 equal 3. 2 into 2 we got 4 and plus 1 into 1 we got 1 by 4. Again we can simplify. We got a like fraction 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It means 3 plus 1 by 4. And we got here 4 by 4. It is equal to 1. So for the first one, the answer is 1. Now, second question is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Then 2 into tan 45 is 1 and tan square 45 like tan square 45 we can also write it as tan 45 square. Both are same. So it means when I simplify, so tan 45 is 1, so 1 is square, plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, then root 3 by 2 the whole square, minus sin 60 is also root 3 by 2, then root 3 by 2 the whole square. When I simplify, 2 into 1 square is 1, plus root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. Why? Because root 3 by 2 the whole square we can write it as 3 square by 2 square. Why? The reason is a by b the whole square we can write it as a square and divide by b square. So that's why root 3 square 3 and 2 square 4. The same way minus root 3 square, it means simply that is 3 and 2 square is 4. Now we got 2 and plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 nothing, like a number, and when we subtract the same number that will be 0. So simply I can write 2 is the answer, and if you want to like extend 2 plus 0, simply the answer is 2. For the first second one the answer is 2. First question number 3. Cos 45 divide sec 30 plus cosec 30. This is going to be a little bit long. So here I will start from here. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and divide sec 30 is 2 by root 3 and plus cosec 30 is 2. So 2 I can write simply 2 by 1. Now 1 by root 2. 1 by 1 we are going to do 1 by root 2. Then divide 2 by root 3 and 2 by 1. It means root 3 and 1. The LCM is root 3. So I can multiply with root 3 and this also I can multiply with root 3. So I got 1 by root 2 and 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus 2 into root 3. It means 2 root 3 and divide root 3. Next step, 1 by root 2 divide. Now we got like fraction. Then 2 plus 2 root 3 and divide root 3. So what I got here? I got 1 by root 2 and this is divide. So I can write this as 2 plus 2 root 3 and divide root 3. This is divide A by B, like 1 by root 2 divide. Now 1 by root 2, this divide will be multiplied. Then reciprocal of next. It means root 3 and divide 2 plus 2 root 3. Again I will continue. 1 into root 3, I got root 3 and divide this into this. It means root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. When we simplify root 3 and divide, that will be 2 into root 2. I'll write one more step, root 2 into 2, this into this, and plus root 2 into this. It means root 2 into 2 root 3. Root 2 into 2 root 3. Now what I will get? I will get root 3 and divide 2 into root 2. That is 2 root 2. Then 2 root 3 into root 2. Then root 3 into root 2. Root 6. 2 into root 6. It means we got plus 2 root 6. This we cannot leave. Then we will go back. Class 9. The first chapter was like we have to rationalize the number. So going to do rationalize of this number. Now how to rationalize? It means 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So we are going to write 2 root 2. This plus will be minus. Minus 2 root 6 and divide 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. If you remember class 9, we did like that. This plus, this will be minus minus. If this is minus, it will be plus and plus. Next step. Now this into this. It means root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Divide A plus B, A minus B. If you can check it out, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 6, 2 root 6. So A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. Now, I will continue down. Now again, this into this, 2 root 2 into root 3, root 6. So I got 2 root 6 minus 2 root 3 into root 6, root 18. So I get minus 2 root 18. Divide. 2 into 2, 4 and root 2. Like when we do a square of root, root will be gone. So it means root 2 square is 2 and 2 square is 4. So 4 into 2, I got 8. Minus 2 square 4 and root 6 square 6. 4 into 6, 24. 8 minus 24. Again 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. Now if we do some rough work, so root 18, like this root 18, I can write it as 9 into 2. So for 9, 3 will come out. So I can also write it as 3 root 2. So root 18 equal 3 root 2. Now, so 2 root 6 minus 2 into root 18, 3 root 2. Then divide 8 minus 24 minus 16. Bigger number 24 minus 8, 16. The number we have minus symbol, so minus 16. We do like that. Now 2 root 6 minus 3 into 6, it means minus 6 root 2 divided by minus 16. Again what we can do, 2 we can take common. So if I take 2 common, so I get here root 6 minus 3 root 2 divide 2, if I take common, then yeah, root 6, then minus 3 root 2 and then minus 16. I can cancel 1s are 8s are. So I got root 6 minus 3 root 2 and divide by minus 8. Again I will continue. I don't want this minus 8. Minus I don't want. So minus I can take common in this one bracket. I can write it as minus, then minus root 6 plus 3 root 2 and divide minus 8. Now look here, minus minus plus root 6 minus plus minus 3 root 2. Why I did all these things? So I can cancel minus minus. Now I can write this as 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. And this is the answer. I told you in the starting it is going to be little bit long, but it's not difficult. So for the third one, the answer is 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Now first main 4 questions. This is also going to be little bit long. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos x 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So put the value 1 by 1. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Plus tan 45 is 1. So 1 I can write 1 by 1. Minus cos x 60 is 2 by root 3. Divide sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1 by 1. Simply 1 means 1 by 1. Now 2 1 root 3. 2 1 root 3 LCM is 2 root 3. It means all the denominator we have to convert as 2 root 3. Again root 3 into 2, that is also 2 root 3. This denominator also we have to convert as 2 root 3. So what we can do, we can continue, or I'll do one more step. I'll write here 1 by 2 into root 3. I got 2 root 3. This also multiply with root 3 plus 1 by 1. Now 2 root 3, because I have to convert the denominator as 2 root 3 minus 2 by root 3 and multiply with 2. I got 2 root 3 and this also multiply by 2. Divide 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 then into 2 into 2. 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2 then into root 3 into root 3 plus 1 by 1 into 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. Now we got all as a like fraction. So I can now write it as root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 into 2, 4 and divide 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Then I can write it as divide. This is divide. Divide what? 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into root 3 plus 2 root 3 and divide by 2 root 3. Now when I simplify, root 3 means what? Simply 1 root 3. So 2 root 3 and plus 1 root 3. I got 3 root 3. Nothing we have means we can write 1 root. This is not square root, this is 1 root 3. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Inside the root we have equal numbers 3, 3. So 2 plus 1. 3 root 3 minus 4 and divide by 2 root 3. Then I can do one more step. I'll continue. Now again, root 3 means again what? 1 root 3. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3. I got 3 root 3. It means a 4 plus 3 root 3 and divide by 2 root 3. When we continue, so we will get 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. This divide the multiplication into 2 root 3 and divide 4 plus 3 root 3. Now 2 root 3 got cancelled. So we got 3 root 3 minus 4 and divide 4 plus 3 root 3. Just like the last question. Rationalize it. So when we do rationalize, 3 root 3 minus 4, 4 plus 3 root 3. Then the same number will come, but symbols are going to change. Then 4 minus 3 root 3 and divide 4 minus 3 root 3. When I will continue, so this divide by this. It means 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3. Like that. And divide, we got a plus b, a minus b. So it means a square minus 3 root 3 the whole square. When I simplify, then this first multiply with this, then this multiply this, like that. 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3. First 3 root 3 multiply with this all, then minus 4 into, and again multiply with 4 minus 3 root 3. And then divide. 4 square is 16 minus 3 square 9 and root 3 square 3. So 9 into 3 minus 27. We now will continue. Then 3 into 4. Well, I will come down. 4 into 3, 12 root 3. Then 4 is a 12 root 3, correct. Now 3 into 3, 9 and root 3 into root 3, 3. So it means 9 into 3, 27. So this multiply this, we will get 27. Minus 27. And minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Minus plus 4 into 3, 12 root 3. And divide 16 minus 27 minus 11. Now, can we simplify? 12 root 3, 12 root 3. We got 24 root 3. Minus 27 minus 16. So we got minus of 43. Divide by minus 11. So again what we can do, minus we don't want on the place of denominator, so we can take minus common in the numerator. So it will be minus 24 root 3 and plus 43 by minus 11. Minus plus 24 root 3 minus plus minus 43. Why? Because this minus we got cancelled. So finally, what we are going to get? We'll get 43 minus 24 root 3 and divide by 11. This is our answer for the fourth question. 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. First main, fifth question is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 divide sin square 30 plus cos square 30. We'll simply put the value. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it means 5 into 1 by 2 square plus sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So 4 into 2 by root 3 square. And minus tan 45 is 1. Divide. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin square 30 means 1 by 2 square. Plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Now we will simplify. 5 into 1 square 1, 2 square 4. So 5 into 1 by 4. Plus 4 into 2 square 4 and root 3 square would be gone. So 3. So that became 4 by 3. 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1. Divide 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 4 plus root 3 square will be gone, then 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Again 5 into 1 by 4, so we got 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3, we got 16 by 3 and minus 1 means 1 by 1. And then divide like fraction, so 1 plus 3 by 4. 1 plus 3 by 4. Again 4, 3. 1 means like when we do LCM. So like a number and LCM of 1 is the number itself. Like 5 and 1, so 5. So 4, 3, 1. So don't consider 1. Simply 4, 3, they are like co-prime numbers. So LCM is 4 into 3, 12. So it means this denominator we have to convert as 12. Then 5 by 4 into 3 into 3 plus 16 by 3 into 4 into 4 minus 1 by 1 into 12 into 12. Now 4, 3, 12, 3, 4, 12, 1 into 12 we got 12. Now 1 plus 3 we got a 4 by 4 and 4 by 4 means what? 1. So if you want to like continue with that one, we can continue or simply we can remove this one. But we are going to continue. 5 into 3 we got 15 by 12 plus 16 into 4, 64 by 12 minus 12 by 12. And we can write this one divide if you want to write 4 by 4. Now 4 by 4 means what? Simply 1, 1. You can leave this here only. If you want to continue, that is not going to change the answer. Now simplify this one. Simplify this 3 together because they are numerator, this one denominator. Now 15 minus 12 is 3 and 64 plus 3, 67. Then 67 by 12. This is the answer. But if anyone is asking you, what about this one? So divide 1 by 1, so I can write into 1 by 1 reciprocal. So the answer is not going to change. 67 by 12 is the answer for the first main fifth one. So you can leave this 4 by 4 here. You can continue with only this one, and if you are going to continue, the answer will be remain same. That is not going to give any impact on this answer. So answer is 67 by 12. Now second main, first question. Second one is like choose the correct option and justify your choice. MCQ, multiple choice questions. We will get 4 options and we have to find it out. Out of this 4, any one is the right answer. So we have to simply just justify instead of prove, like how. Simply the question is 2 tan 30, second and first one, 2 tan 30 and divide by 1 plus tan square 30. We will simplify it. Then 2 into, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then 2 into 1 by root 3. Divide, and tan 30 again, tan square 30, so 1 plus, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 square. Now when we simplify, 2 into 1 by root 3, we got 2 by root 3. Then divide, what we got, 1 plus 1 square is 1 and root 3 square will be 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3. Now 1 means 1 by 1. So again the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So we can convert as a like fraction. So we got 2 by root 3 and divide 3 plus 1 and divide by 3. When we simplify, we got 2 by root 3 and I can write it as divide 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Now, I am going to continue 2 by root 3 then into 3 by 4. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Again what we got? We got 3 by root 3 into 2. So 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3 and divide root 3. This is root 3 into 2. This root 3 got cancelled. So I got root 3 by 2. So simply out of this 4, we have to check it out. Root 3 is the answer for which one of these? Now first one is sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So first one is the right answer. Second mean the first question, option number A is the right answer. Why? Because when if we are going to continue, then cos 60 is 1 by 2. That is not possible. Tan 60 is root 3. Not possible. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Not possible. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So first one is the right answer for second main, first one. Second main, second one. 1 minus tan square 45 divide 1 plus tan square 45. We have 4 options. Tan 90, 1, sin 45 and 0. Out of this, 1 is the right answer. Then simplify. 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 simply 1 minus 1 square. And 1 plus, again tan 45 is 1. So 1 plus 1 square. So we got 1 minus 1 square is simply 1. And divide 1 plus 1 square is 1. So we got 1 minus 1, that is 0. And divide 1 plus 1, 2. And 0 by 2, 0 divided by any number simply 0. So it means if you check, D is the right answer. Why D is the right answer? Because we are after simplifying this one, we got 0. Tan 90 like is not defined, that is not possible. Because 0 by any number is 0. Yeah, 1 by 0 is not defined. So first one is not possible. 1 is not wrong answer. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, that is wrong. And 0 we have. So that's why second one, D is the right answer. That is 0. Second main, third one. Sin 2A equal 2 sin A is true when A equal, again 4 options we have, 0 degree, 90, 45, 60. When we get this type of questions, simply we are going to do trial method. It means we are going to use 1 by 1. Like first, if I am going to take like A equal to 0, so the LHS will be sin 2 into 0 degree, and the LHS we got, and RHS will be 2 into sin, and A again became 0 degree. Now 2 into 0, simply 0, then we got sin 0. Then again what we got, 2 into sin 0, sin 0 simply equal to 0. Then sin 0 degree is equal to what? Like 2 into 0, simply 0. So what we got here 0 equal to 0. So when we find this one, because sin 2 into 0 is equal to 0, sin 0 degree equal to 0, and 2 into 0 equal to 0. So it means what we got, when we are going to take 0 degree in LHS and in the RHS, then both will be equal. So first one is the right answer. If you want to check like what is the reason like B, C, D, if you can check any random one, you will not get the answer. Suppose if I am going to check the B one, then sine 2A. This is B. Like you can ask questions without just solving B, C, D directly, how we can go for 1. So it's not a problem. We will do B, C, D also. So B sine 2. Now A I am going to take 90. So 2 into 90 degree, that became 180. So again like 180 we have not done, that we are going to do like in first PU, first class 11, like how to find 180 to 70. So leave it, you will get confused. If I am going to do the C1, that is a 45. Now sine 2 into 45. Okay, so sine 2 into 45 is equal to 90, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Now check the RHS, that was the LHS. Then 2 into sine A, and A how much I took? 90. Then 2 into, and sine 90 I told you is equal to 1, so I got 2. LHS 1, RHS 2, that is not possible. Again when we simplify D, that is also not possible. So for the third one, A, that is 0 degree, is the right answer. Second main, fourth one, 2 tan 30 divide 1 minus tan square 30. Again 4 options we have. First we simplify this one. 2 tan 30. Tan 30 is equal 1 by root 3. Then 2 into 1 by root 3 divide 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Now 2 into 1 by root 3, I got 2 by root 3. Then divide 1 minus 1 square is 1, and that root 3 square will be 3. Again 1 means 1 by 1. Now 1 3, the LCM is 3, so we can simplify 2 by root 3 and divide. I have to convert this also as 3. So into 3 into 3, and then minus 1 by 3. So we get what we get now, 2 by root 3, and then 3 minus 1. I will write step by step. 3 minus 1 by 3. I got 2 by root 3 and divide 2 by 3. I can simplify 2 by root 3 and divide 2 by 3. This divide by this. Next step, 2 by root 3. This will be into. Then reciprocal, 3 by 2. Got cancelled. 3 by root 3. So 3 I can write root 3 into root 3 and divide by root 3. Root 3 got cancelled. I got root 3. Now, if we check the options, cos 60, 1 by 2, not possible. Sin 60, root 3 by 2, not possible. Tan 60 is root 3. So C is the right answer. And if you check sin 30, that is 1 by 2, not possible. So for the fourth one, the right option is root 3. It means tan 60. Question number 3. Saying if tan A plus B equal root 3 and tan A minus B equal 1 by root 3 and A plus B is greater than 0 and A plus B is less than and equal to 90. And again one more, like we have a case like A should be greater than B. Then we have to find A and B. So that second step will confuse you. First, don't think about that. Think this and this, like tan A plus B. So let me write tan A plus B equal root 3. Now think about tan. Tan means we have to think about tan. In tan, root 3 equal to what? So tan 60 equal root 3. So I can write it as tan a plus b, like I'll continue. So tan a plus b and root 3 I told you equal tan 60 degree. Tan got cancelled. So what I got? I got a plus b equals 60 degree. Make it as equation 1. Second one, tan a minus b. Tan a minus b equal 1 by root 3. Again 1 by root 3 in tan. So tan 30. Tan 30 equal 1 by root 3. Then tan a minus b equal tan 30. Tan got cancelled. So we got a minus b equal 30 degree. Equation 2. Now I'll write both the equation. A plus b equals 60 and a minus b equal 30 degree. Now what I can do? 1 and 2. So I can write add 1 and 2. Simply you can check if I am going to add plus b minus b got cancelled. A plus a 2a and 60 plus 30 I got 2a equal 90. Then a will be 90 by 2. So I got a equal 45. Now this value of a you can put in equation number 2 or sorry in 1 or 2 you get the same answer. So I am going to put in equation 1. So a plus b equals 60 and what we got a we got 45. Then 45 degree plus b equals 60. Then b equal 60 degree minus 45 degree. So it means we got b as 15 degree. Now a 45 and b 15. 45 plus 15, a plus b 60 and 45 minus 15 that is 30. So we got the value of a 45 and b 15. Now I told you in the starting don't worry about this one. Now look a plus b should be equal to 0. So 45 plus 15 that is like sorry a plus b should be more than 0. So a plus b equal to 60 that is more than 0 and a plus b less than or equal to 90. So a plus b that is 60 that is less than 90. First one like satisfied. Now a greater than b, so a 45, b 15. This is also satisfied. So it means whatever we had to do we did. We followed this also, we followed this also, and we got the answer a 45 and b 15. This is the answer for the third one. Fourth main, like state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. It means if true, then why it's true. If false, then what is the reason? Like it became false, we have to like prove it. First one is sin a plus b equals sin a plus sin b. Simply we have to prove this is right or wrong. This we have to check. So let a equal 30 degree and b equal 60 degree. Then LHS. LHS equal sin a plus b. Now when we do sin a plus b, then sin and a we took 30 degree and plus 60 degree. So it became 30 plus 60 sin 90 that is 1. So what we got? We got LHS 1. Now RHS equal sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b. So it means sin a equal to 30. Sin 30 and plus b equal 60. Now sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it means 1 by 2. and plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now, in like fraction, so 1 plus root 3 by 2 that we cannot simplify. So now, LHS is 1, RHS is 1 plus root 3 by 2. So what we can say, LHS is not equal to RHS. So first one is simply false. That is not possible, and the reason, we gave the reason, we simply proved that LHS is not equal to RHS. So first one is false. Fourth main second one, it says the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Like for any angle A, if you like, we know sine 0 is simply 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. 0 simply 0. 1 by 2 when we simplify we got 0.5. 1 by root 2 when we simplify we will get 0.7 approx. It will come between 0.7 and 8, 0.7 approx. If we simplify root 3 by 2, we will get 0.8 approx. It will be between 0.8 and 9, so I have written 0.8 approx. 90 equal to simply 1. Now, if we check 0, 0.5, 0.7, 0.8 and 1. And what they are asking, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases, and if you can check, it is an increasing order. So, second one is correct. So it's true. Fourth main second one true, and the reason it's here. Fourth main third one, value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Now for any angle A, like we know cos 0 equal to 1, 30 equal root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, and cos 90 0. So if we can check, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So increasing order is not possible. No need to check the middle one. Like 1 to 0, it's a decreasing. It decreases. It's not increases. So that is false. And what is the reason behind false? Like 0 is 1, 90 is 0. So they're talking about increases, and we can see it's decreasing because 1 to 0 it's a decreasing order. That's why third one is false. Now fourth question is sin theta equal cos theta for all values of theta. Like for any angle A, we know sin 0 0, cos A equal to 1. So for 0 it's not possible. Again for 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That is also like not possible. Like they are not equal. Yeah, for this one, for 45, sin 45 and cos 45 both are 1 by root 2. Again 60 they are not equal, 90 they are not equal. So this is false. Why this is false? Because they're saying sin theta equal cos theta for all values of theta. That is not possible. Yeah, if they will ask you for any value of theta, sin theta equal to cos theta, then it is correct, because for 45 they both are equal, but for all values of theta, no, that is not possible. That's why the fourth one is false. Fourth main fifth one, and the final question of exercise 8.2 class 8 NCERT. It says cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. It means like cot 0 equal not defined, that we know. So this is true, because they are asking like if A equal to 0, it means cot 0 equal to not defined. So yes, cot 0 is not defined. And this is the end of exercise 8.2 class 10th NCERT. So you like the video. This is very important for class 10 board exams. Again, any doubt, ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.